These are what's done already. Next thing we're gonna do a mukbang. Yay! We're doing a mukbang. So I'm gonna show you mukbang. I'm gonna show you how our setup look and stuff, but you're definitely gonna see it on her channel, so you guys have to subscribe. So look at our setup, okay? Ketchup, fries, and my homemade mango juice. So stay tuned for the video. Okay. Hi guys, what's up? Guys, you can believe I'm just starting the vlog. That's sad. So right now, you know I have some mangoes behind me, so I'm just gonna have some mango. I'm supposed to have my dog, my puppy, or a woman dog, supposed to have puppy by now. So I'm gonna have a mango, put it off my ear. So I'm gonna get one fresh mango, wash it off, and look at our puppy them born. Guys, if you want a puppy, let me know. You have to be in the Kingston area though, okay? Yeah, so yeah, I don't know what you're doing, but I just have to start my vlogging, okay? The mango ear. I was stuck in your teeth, that's why I need the original floss, but I should go ahead and make some more mango juice, don't it? Cause look how much right mango drop. So I just wash off this. Maybe later I'm have some more, and let's go see if our puppies them bones. Guys, so you know when the mango is fresh, when it's thin, that means it's too long drop off the tree. You see? So look. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You push out 6, girl. I just want to sleep. So, hello, show vlog world. So I want to feed her at the shop. Aww. Guys, you see them nice them puppy, you know, seem like baby. Them nice and them a baby. You see them get big, them awful. Guys, good night. How are you guys doing? What I'm worried. So, good girl got power with this morning, you know. More people can't hear me. I would find out, but I don't know. So, good girl say, you know what? I'm not just learn one skill. So, I say, what that chin? You know, say, I can't do ear. I need to learn to do makeup. I want to do nails. When me see good girl come back with things, my girl say, I should show you one and I guess what she do. Show them one of the items. She say she come up with one bag of bangarang. She say, you know, say you're gonna be my guinea pig tonight. So I say, alright, nothing wrong. My girl just start, but you say, I'm not for item from here. She start, right? So she start putting on this on my finger. Just say, guys, want learn for the nails. So I say, alright. I say, remember say you have to cook sometime and so make them too long for yourself. So I'm just show you what go on.
You make them too long for yourself, so like you are the idea.
So far she don't really have everything, but she try, we Jamaican try use what we have. So she use what she have to do something.
But there's two things when I have. Are the tip cutter and the something to push back the tip.
And the Q-tip push back cutter something, yeah.
No, the back cutter. And a back cutter, you just push it, use it and push it back.
Yeah.
Like you just push it in the back, push back your cuticle.
So she use that board there, and that's something and push up my cuticle.
That one already, so you know.
So anyways, go on already and thing. So you know, so when you get bad at it, you know, guys, link up and change your nails. So I'm coming up in a.
So I have to get my dice from my mark my name. See my mark my name there. There you go. A and then.
So what I'll do. Hope you guys enjoy. I hope it come out good though. But who will
guys, keep in mind I'm only doing one tonight. I just want to test the skill until probably our day I struggle daily. One day. Just have one test for myself.
So guys, how long you wear your nails? You like it? Just put it on and you don't cut it? Or you cut it? Which color should I put tonight? No, me, I'm just simple, so just put the pink.
Light pink.
Yeah. So guys, you can just put on the nails and just use it like that. Let me know. If you cut it, let me know. Just let me know how long or short. So let's get going. guys, she first attempt.
I'm cut her, guys.
She cut me too, now. She cut me. She a try still, you know, learning messy, but why? Why it look otherwise? Just eliminate that part there and sing. Give it a 5 as a new try. In the comment section, let me know. Nobody put the cut still, but that's fine. What's up? Good day, good afternoon, or whenever you guys are watching this. So, I'm like, what that? Editing and thing. And my editing software is giving me problems. So, so that hurts on my head. So, I'm saying, no, so I'm not cook today. And I said, she not cook. So, that's fine. So, I'm saying, no, I'm not going on the road. I'll buy others food. Guys, now I put my hair this week. See, days don't last my hair for like 2 weeks. But just buy a fried chicken and rice something. And we're supposed to have Kool-Aid inside, and she buy the Kool-Aid and she not mix the Kool-Aid. She want me mix, but not mixing nothing. Right? I don't mind mix it still, but so go on, follow me to the food shop. I'm actually reached the bottom, not sure. I can have 2 medium food, please.
Yeah, 1 medium. You want one? Yeah. No bread.
$1,000. Okay, so you know pepper and food. So yeah. So right now I'm reaching. She look pretty on me. With her natural ears.
I'm always pretty little.
So right now, I already vlogged from morning. I forgot. But anywho, right now we're gonna do a whisper challenge. So
yeah, I'm so excited.
So you guys can definitely check out that on Chin channel, and I think she said this is the patois version.
Period.
So let's see.
Wagwan.
So let's see how that goes. So as I said, the iCard will either be on which side? This side or this side? One of them. And then link is going to be in the description or in the comments.
My name is going to be in the description
box. So definitely go over there and check it out.
To me and tell me you love me, okay?
So see you over Chin channel. Adios. I'm vlogging.
What else I want to see? You know?
And comment below and tell me who win this challenge. Comment yourself, me win it. So
guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I know I say it around 2 times, but comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
So guys, we just finished the video. I say at the last one, she not talk about picky head girl. Tell me if she not bright. She gonna pull on my picky head right now though, but yeah, but me I cut about meat first, mom. But my father in the kitchen. I have to wait till I'm done. Then I'm gonna cook. So I'm editing the vlog and I realized that I did not end the video. So I'm actually here ending the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I see you guys in my next video. Going to the shop, but that's our next video. So big up on yourself. Yes guys, and check out the braids. So bye.